What's up, everybody? Jared here from Manatee Pressure Washer Supply and Repair. Got my boy Josh in the house working on some amazing things. We wanted you guys to take a look at it and see what you're going to see today is some pretty awesome details for our builds. And Josh, tell us a little bit about the process and how it works for customers here in the builds.
Let's see, whenever a customer reaches out to me, they have a list of components that they want to include in their build. On occasion, if that build is complicated to the point where I'm worried about it fitting within a certain area, whether it's on their trailer, in their box truck, whatever it is, occasionally I'll set up all their components on a program called SketchUp. Allows me to size everything to scale, make sure it's going to fit within that area, and I can give the customer a kind of a visual representation of what it's going to look like, bringing their dreams to reality, so to speak. So hey, yeah, take a look at a video, and this is one we just worked on.
Enjoy it. Peace.